Reggie!
Reggie! Ah! Way to go, Reggie! High five! Woo!
Sherman, I need you! Come here, baby.
They're in the middle of the ball.
September!
No! Sheila!
What song is that?
See, Big Al, nothing good ever comes from being bad. Your girl walks off with the heavy muscle. Yeah, what he said. He's the big hero. He's always right. Yay!
And then Big Al worships you. Gotta get your shot coming up.
Protagonist? 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 No! Why did he have to go so young? Hey, you were a relationship with this one, right? You know, I think we could probably make something work out. Say 5 o'clock. Oh, okay. I don't know what's happening now. Okay. Stop it, Sheila! Stop it, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. He'll come back. No! What happened?
Wait. No, I'm not gonna do that. Don't.
Rabbit, don't be afraid.
That's a sheep.
Don't be afraid, it's Trooper Squid to the rescue.
Sheila's unimpressed.
What? Sheila's unimpressed.
Sheila and the stripper are apparently friends, and the stripper says Sheila's unimpressed.
Don't worry, ladies. Or like.
This guy just got murdered. He was being weird.
You're vicious. Let's go.
I am.
Stop everything. I'm the police investigator for this area. You two are under arrest for unwanted murder on 3 separate counts. I've been watching this establishment for the past couple days, and I thought something was suspicious. But little did I know that Big Al wasn't the perpetrator. No, he was an innocent victim in the plot devised by you, the stripper. I might have known. It's always the one you suspect the last.
Sheila, did you set me up? I swear it wasn't me.
Really? Why don't you tell that to the coppers downtown? You're going behind jail bars for a long... Don't even try any of that, misters. I know Kung Fu. Oh, I'm a secret. I'm an honorary member of the Super Ninja Turtles. That's why it's honorary. I am a green belt in Newtonness. That's why I can talk and stand on the backs of my feet.
No, Sherman, I'm counting on you.
What?
Sheila, I'm gonna
Further documentation of this is banned by police law.
Rabbit.